Is it time-consuming for you to find replacement parts for your Armstrong pump? We at Pump Products will find it for you. We offer repair and replacement parts for all the Armstrong Pump series, starting from the Armstrong Astro 2 series, the Armflow series, to the Astro Express 2 series. We stock and supply a full line of time-tested, genuine replacement parts for all kinds of Armstrong pumps, including circulator pumps, instant hot water circulators, radiant heat pumps, 3-speed cartridge circulators, inline circulating pumps, close-coupled in-suction pumps, variable speed circulator pumps, vertical inline pumps, horizontal split case pumps, vertical split case pumps, heat circulating pumps, water circulation pumps, solar pumps, hot water recirculating pumps. The Armstrong pump parts and repair kits comprise pump flanges, circulator pump parts, repair kits, rebuild kits, cartridges, motors, PC boards, demand system parts, IFC replace kits, capacitors, bracket assemblies, zone valves, union sets, stack kits, seals, bearings, pump gaskets, wear rings, and pump rotating assemblies. Pump Products is a leading Armstrong Pumps online pump repair parts dealer servicing customers nationwide. Our online store and huge inventory levels allow you to buy the parts direct from us and have them delivered to your doorstep. Inspector Pumphead and his team of application engineers are standing by to answer questions regarding pump and pump part selections and can assist in pump sizing, troubleshooting, and other pump-related issues. Need it now? We offer fast shipping, with most orders being processed and shipped the same day at the lowest prices anywhere. Pump Products, your direct connection to Armstrong Pumps and Parts. Visit us at pumpproducts.com or call our toll-free number today, 1-800-429-0800.